Hello viewers, this is Elijah, and today I'm going to be showing you where you have to locate the party on Boloup Pro. So this is the profile, and I've just clicked in the bottom right, and what you're seeing are the details about my account. Okay, so if I want a party, I have to click in the bottom left, right, where it reads party. So you'll see these are the parties. If you want to search up for a party of other people, all you have to do is you click in the top right, and you need to search up a party room, either by the name or the ID. If you want to create your own, you click my room, and you will need to name your room. Okay, so the way it is this app favors rotations. If you are 5, so it's not good to do it solo. You have to find a group, you have to find a crew. So if you use my link, you follow me up on my Telegram group, you let me know that you have joined, you've created an account, we form a tag team and we'll be doing rotations. We have a party in my room, we exchange, we gamble, we play games together, and by so doing I will be given coins for just using my room. Then from that we move on to another person's party room. We do the same activities that we were just doing in my room, and that for doing that in the other person's room, that person will earn extra coins that they can exchange so as to earn income. You understand what I'm saying? So let me name up my room. So I'm gonna name it up Agent Hardboard's Empire. Okay, talk and play with friends type. Okay, then live streaming, I'm gonna choose here what I'll be doing from that party room. So we'll actually be talking and playing with the friends. So introduction, we can punch in the words, and the way it is the more people you invite, the higher the capacity the room will have. It will have more seats, so the more people you invite, the bigger the capacity your room will have. Okay, so invite as many as you can. Those of you who shun joining other people's crews, those of you who shun clicking links, hey, it's gonna be hell on earth. So here I'm gonna punch in the introductory words. I can just say welcome to the room of wealth. Feel free to chat, gamble, and play games. And then I'm gonna click OK, and then hit create. Okay, so that has been set up. You can now invite people to your room so as to gamble, play games together. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video.